Debating for money. Debating for money. Debating for money. Yeah, I'm trying to offer people service, but nobody's up for debating for money.
The next station is Dufferin Station.
What exactly does that mean? Welcome to Canada. Of course, I already recorded 5 minutes of debates with this guy. Hello. Yeah, I'm filming some debates for YouTube. Yeah, debating. Are you debating for money? No. Can I get your number? Debating for money. Yeah, you mind if we keep filming?
The next station is Lansdowne Station.
So are you? Debating for money.
Arriving at Lansdowne Station.
That's the one reason. I don't know the answer to your proposition or problem there. Yeah, I'm getting adjustment in Etobicoke. Okay.